Hey everyone, it's Nick with Gold Coast Flooring with another quick tip on how to do a flawless carpet repair patch job. So here I'm going to be patching a very dense polyester carpet, and the first thing you want to do is just make sure that your carpet is running the same direction. And when I say the carpet is dense, I'm referring to the pile density, meaning that there are a lot of carpet fibers joined together. So I've been wanting to make this video for a while because I've started to get into other flooring, and I think this is a more precise way to get a perfect cut. So you measure out the gap on each side. So on this one it's about 2 1/8, 2 inches and 1/8 of an inch. You can get into 16ths or into 32s, but really you can kind of go by 8ths or even by 16ths to be more precise. Then on your donor piece you just make an L cut, so you have a straight side to work on both sides. That's going to be your starting point. So now that you have your straight piece, you can go ahead and measure your first cut, and that's going to be for the 2 1/8. And you want to line up your framing square so it's at a right angle, and line it up on the 2 1/8 mark, and then you just want to cut down. So now we just have one more cut to do, so we measure the other side now, and you can see from this one it's about 2 inches exactly. So after doing that cut, now we have our donor piece. As easy as that. And now you can just fit it in, seal the edges, get your seam tape under, and patch with the Black & Decker steam iron. So hopefully this video helped you guys out and you can make some better repairs when you're doing patch jobs. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this so other people can benefit from it as well. Thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas on any carpet repairs or carpet stretching tutorials that you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments below and I would love to take a look at it. Thanks again.